So, welcome to Changing Perceptions 2024. This is our second conference from the Women in Manufacturing.
The thing is, you get two for the price of one. So it's two sets of brain, two sets of experiences, two sets of strengths, all for the price of one.
I mean, we have seen a small progress, but still we are far behind if we really want to reach our target of 35% representation of women in.
Recommendation for companies: share what you are doing. Isn't that just such a simple, elegant recommendation? If we in this room, and thanks everybody, it has been a fantastic day. We have heard loads and loads of bright and brilliant things, and I just want to say thank you very much to everybody for taking part in that. It's been a really informative and great energy day for me to spend.